Hello, today I will be unboxing and reviewing One for All TV indoor aerial bought from Argos for £32.99, which is a bit pricey, but if you shop around I'm sure you can get it cheaper than that. The signal range is between 0 and 15 miles, so please make sure you get the right one. If you live more than 15 miles from the TV transmitter, then obviously go for the 30 miles TV aerial. Okay, let's have a look at it. So, we have a quick guide on how to set up the device with step-by-step instructions there. And we have a TV aerial lead cable, and the length of that is 1.5 meters, and a power lead as well. It's very compact and discreet, so as you can see they're very slim. Should be able to fit anywhere on your shelf or wherever on your table. The product dimensions are 28 by 4.5 by 13.8 centimetres. It weighs about 760 grams. And there, along there, it has a silver stand with grips on the bottom. And on the reverse, you have two connector holes, one for the aerial and the other for the power lead. There's a slider at the back that you should set to maximum. This allows you to fine-tune the aerial, so select this at the maximum and it will give you the right level of amplification in order to receive the best picture and clear digital radio. Okay, let's test it out. So put the aerial lead in the back and insert the power lead cable, and the other end goes into the back of your TV. And all you need to do now is plug it into the socket. It doesn't have a red light or anything, or a green light to let you know that it's on or that it's working. You just assume that it is. Okay, so switch the TV on and there's no signal. Let's try just in the aerial. I'm just going to hold it up and now we have a picture. Okay. So this is BBC, so it seems to work when I raise it up like this. Sometimes it breaks up, so you need to place the aerial on a steady surface. But when I do get a picture, it is nice and clear. Even better quality when I face it towards the window as well. This is film 4, so as you can see there, not a bad picture, quite good quality. It will receive Freeview and analog TV. It picked up about 60 channels, so not bad, but doesn't perform as well in bad weather. So if it's a bit windy or raining, it can break up now and then. And is optimised for full HD digital TV. It's an amplified aerial up to 47 decibels. It has a 3G and 4G block filters, so you won't get any interference. The cons of this are the power cable and the antenna cable are too short, so should be at least 2 meters or more in length to allow you to move it around the room should you have a bad reception. We did have to attach a second antenna lead to the first one to enable us to place it near the window, as if you place it near a window facing the TV transmitter, it does perform better. Yeah, I think it's ideal for bedrooms, kitchens or spare room, etc. For the main room, I'm not too sure. But if you can position it right and you're near a TV transmitter, then it should be okay. Shouldn't have too many problems with it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see my next unboxing video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Okay, I think that's it.